Welcome back to a new episode. And today we're going to call it Unmarried and Untangled. And we're going to talk about what happens when parties live together, but they're not married. Okay, let's provide a little bit of background. In Georgia, in order to be married, you have to have a marriage certificate, go through the whole process of getting a license, having a ceremony, being legally recognized under the law. There are other types of marriage that people engage into that are not recognized by the law. First, it could be a religious marriage. I've seen, especially in my clients that practice Islam, that there is something called Islamic marriage. Unfortunately, it's not legally recognized if it doesn't meet the requirements that Georgia has set for legal marriages. Another form of illegal marriage is common law. And I can't remember the exact date, but I believe it was sometime in the 90s. Any relationship started after then is not considered a common law marriage. So, most of y'all, if you started your cohabitation, which is you all living together, and you're not married, you can't be common law married here in Georgia if y'all just started dating a couple of years ago. Okay, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let me tell you a couple of things that the court looks at when it does cohabitation. So, if you're living together and you have a child and you're not married, either after the child is born or at the time that the child is born, you all are not married, then the mom has the sole legal right to the child because mom is declared the sole legal parent. Now, the dad or other parent in that case could be declared a biological parent if they do a DNA test and it's determined that they're the biological parent. But just because you're a biological father does not mean that you're a legal father. In order to become a legal father, you have to go through the legitimation process.